I'm Katie Yankee. I'm a licensed clinical social worker and a qualified supervisor, and I'm the Director of Clinical Services here at SunServe. What that means is that I supervise the mental health program. We get funding from a variety of sources. We are a Medicare provider and we take most of the Medicaid HMOs. We receive Ryan White funds for mental health. We are funded by Broward Behavioral Health Coalition, the United Way, for um, a unique program for folks without a significant mental health or substance abuse diagnosis, but who are at risk for progression because of minority stress related to being LGBTQ. One of the things that I'm proudest of is our sliding fee scale program. We do that through a partnership with many of the universities in the South Florida area. Barry University, Florida Atlantic, Florida International University, Nova Mental Health, Carlos Albizu. And we take their graduate student interns and under close qualified supervision, train them in their last year of placement how to be therapists and to be LGBTQ proficient. We also take postgraduate registered interns in social work, mental health, and marriage and family therapy, as well as psychology. And those folks are with us for about 2 years. This way we can provide low cost, skilled, LGBTQ proficient therapy to clients at very low cost. All you have to do to access services is call our main phone number, 954-764-5150, extension 110, and speak to John Swan, our intake coordinator. He'll schedule you an appointment to see a therapist for intake. We will gather information enough to find out what you need and what therapist might be best suited for you. We'll get signed consents and releases of information and go over privacy practices and grievance processes. And then we'll review your case carefully to determine who might be the best fit as a provider for you.
If you had 2 to 3 sentences to tell a group of people what your department does, what the goal of it is, and how you help people in this community, how would you put that?
We assess folks for their mental health and co-occurring disorder needs. We assign them a therapist. We develop a mental health treatment plan, partnering with our clients to help them improve their life while recognizing them as experts in their own life. And we try to make sure that everybody possible is better off when they leave therapy than when they start.
Will you tell us a little bit about the support groups that are offered here at SunServe?
Yes, we have a good variety of support groups at SunServe. We have everything from an LGBTQ grandparents group to gay men's empowerment group to groups that support our transgender community or gender nonconforming folks, such as Safety, which is open to folks no matter what gender they identify with, and also our trans men's group. We have a SOFA group, which is significant others, family, friends, and allies of transgender folks. We have a different drummer group, which is for gender nonconforming kids, their siblings, and their parents. So we have a smart recovery group on Friday nights. We have a good variety of groups. If you can benefit from mental health services or are just curious about how to access them or how they might help, I invite you to call me at extension 105 and I will be glad to talk with you. You can also stop by anytime and pick up a flyer for some of our support groups, and please be sure and introduce yourself in person. I look forward to meeting you and look forward to giving you a warm welcome here.